Today, we're making a layered Mandala turkey for Thanksgiving. This project starts with applying paper masking tape on 1/8 inch Eco Birch plywood to protect it from scorches and burns from my laser cutter. When I'm done applying the masking tape, I load up my Glowforge laser cutter, lay the plywood on a crumb tray, and start the cutting process. For this turkey art piece, I decided to keep the finish to one type of wood. This Eco Birch has a very light colored finish which will really make the engraved pattern that I designed on the body of the turkey stand out. Developing the mandala for this project was easier than most of my other mandala art pieces. I kept the geometry and concept really simple and organized them in small slices of a semicircle to resemble the feathers of a turkey's tail. If you're interested in learning more about my process, you can check out my Skillshare course linked in the description of this video of a similar project for a cathedral window piece. The laser file for this layered mandala turkey is also available in my shop. The overall process took 16 minutes to cut all 3 layers from one piece of Eco Birch plywood. Once the pieces were cut, I brought them over to my work table and organized them so that each layer was facing the correct direction. Now we can remove the paper masking from the wood. When I finish removing it from each piece, I make sure that I keep them upright in the same position so that they're organized for stacking later. Now, I bring over my MaxiCure superglue and apply it onto the back side of the middle layer. When I started making these layered mandala pieces, I noticed that the perimeter of each layer were the areas that detach the most, so it's important to apply enough glue and put a weight on top of each piece to hold them together until it dries. With the glue applied to the back side of the middle layer, I flip it over, align it with the bottom layer, and look through the pattern cutouts to help me align the pieces. The layer below should have additional wood on all sides of the pattern cutout, and it should be an equal amount. Once they're aligned, I press down and let the glue dry. Now, I repeat this with the turkey piece and apply glue within the outlines that I engraved on the middle layer. I bring over the top layer, align the perimeter of the turkey with the engraved outlines, and press down to glue it into place. Now, the layered mandala turkey is complete, and this is how it came out. My favorite part is definitely the pattern that's engraved on the body of the turkey and the depth created by the layered pattern cutouts behind it. I think a slightly darker wood finish for the tail layers would be a good addition to this product. If you enjoyed this project, check out my other woodcraft videos and consider subscribing. I'll see you again next week.